Hey everyone, welcome to our next lesson. Today we're looking at the unit circle. For more information on the unit circle, look to the other link that is in the SL section. Typically, when you get a question in HL about the unit circle, it's not a standalone question, but a question that is related to another topic. So for instance, here we have a question. It's a vector question. Now, we haven't done vectors yet, but I think you're good enough that you can probably follow where I'm going. If something is perpendicular in vectors, it would mean that this vector and this vector, if they're multiplied using the dot product, it should equal to 0. So 1, 2 cosine x 0 dot -1, 2 sine x 1 is equal to 0 if they are perpendicular to each other. So multiplying 1 and -1 is -1. You multiply the x values. Then you multiply the y values. So plus 4 sine x cosine x. And 0 times 1 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. So you multiply the x's, you multiply the y's, and then you add them together. Anyways, if you are trying to solve this, well, we're going to bring the 1 over. So it becomes 4 sine x cosine x is equal to 1, and divide both by 2, we get 2 sine x cosine x is equal to 1/2. And here is where the unit circle, well, one more step, we'll just change this to sine 2x is equal to 1/4. Okay. Sorry, that should be 1/2. This is where the unit circle would come in, and you're trying to figure out when does sine x equal 1/2. So using your unit circle, what we learned in class, we got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2's on the bottom. And then square root the top. So when does sine x equal 1/2? Well, there it is right there at pi over 6. So 2x is equal to pi over 6. But you have to remember, as far as the y value for sine, there's going to be two values here. So using CAST, so all is positive and sine is positive. So we got two answers there. So the answer also is 5 pi over 6. And then finishing this off, it becomes x equals pi over 12 and 5 pi over 12. So typically, using the unit circle as a standalone doesn't happen in HL, but it could be valuable knowledge towards near the end of some of the questions, for instance, like this one. Hope that helps. Have a good day.